下雪了。对啊。你看我们的车上也有雪。Snowman。上车，上车，先上车。
我们这比较少。
对啊，因为它很远开过来。Good morning。
下雪了，下雪了！你看那个蓝色车子，第一次看到下雪。
They are first time snow. 你看那边从树上掉下来，这边好漂亮。你看这个树上都是。
对，难怪没有树叶。
大家早，我们现在要去交车了，现在要去他们的监理站，要去转换名字。这个未来就是我们的车子，要用这台车来环欧了。大家敬请期待我们之后新的影片。Hello. Do you use YouTube? You have YouTube?
YouTube?
Yeah, you have. 我们现在到了监理站了，要准备去交车换名字了。报一下资料，走吧。Okay. Yeah, yeah. This is license.
International license.
Yeah. And this passport.
Passport? What's that?
This one, passport. 这是他们的算是监理站的地方，还蛮奇怪的，竟然跟洗车场一起。换名字了，国际驾照跟护照，这就是我们未来旅行用的车子了。
到那边如果是野球。
Hour later.
You don't have Romanian passport, so
No.
you don't have to buy this car, because if you buy this car, you can't put it on your name. The car it will not be yours if you buy it,
Oh.
because you need to be citizen of Romania. Because if you're not, if you buy this car, if you want to go in Taiwan,
No, no Taiwan.
So-
no Taiwan.
Yes.
We will just travel Europe.
is it
Euro
possible?
country.
You need to go in Taiwan to put this car on your name if you want to buy it.
No, just register here.
You can't. You need residence of Romania.
Oh no.
Yes, this is the law.
Oh.
Yes,
It's
it's complicated, but you need to be a Romanian guy to buy a car.
费尽了千辛万苦，我们终于拿到我们的车了。他们帮我们到保加利亚去换车牌，才可以顺利过户。不然在罗马尼亚这边的话，不能卖给外国人车子的。哇，真的是千辛万苦啊！ Like we say drop.
You buy that?
Yeah. Money, money.
Okay. May number po siya.
Thank you so much, guys.
Mulțumesc.
Mulțumesc. Mulțumesc.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
谢谢。在我生日的这一天，终于拿到车子了，已经完成换牌过户了。今天刚好是我的生日。 Happy birthday to me！ 最好的礼物了。
To give daddy a
谢
card.
谢。
哇，
给你礼物，
这边放，谢谢。喜欢我们频道的朋友，麻烦帮我们按赞、订阅、加分享，以及开启小铃铛。 日后会有更多有趣好玩的影片跟大家分享哦。
Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.